my soul surrendered. I can't say I'm lost in a lifetime, waiting for the right time. Now that you're near, your time is here. After that, it's now or never. Come hold me tight, kiss me, my darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. Just like a road, we would cry in the ocean if we lost true love and sweet devotion. Your lips excite me, let your arms invite me, for who knows when we'll meet again this way. It's now or never. Kiss me, my darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never, my love. It's now or never, my love. It's now or never, my love, always. It's now or never, my love, always. Thank y'all. Sorry about doing that song again. Did it yesterday. I was supposed to do it tonight. Can't imagine how that happened. All right, I'm going to do a song. I was going to say real quick, thank y'all. It's been a wonderful week. And I hope to see you next time in the Elvis Week, and Tupelo, and my festival, all things coming up. And I just appreciate y'all letting me come up here and act like an idiot. I've had a heck of a lot of fun. We're going to do a song that Chris Christopherson wrote. A lot of people performed, but as always, Elvis did it better than anybody. So here we go. Take the ribbon from your head, shake it loose and let it fall, laying soft against your skin, like shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side till the early morning light. All I'm taking is your time. Help me make it through the night. And I don't care who's right or wrong. I won't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. Gone, and tomorrow is out of sight, and it's sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night. I don't care who's right or wrong. I won't try to understand. Cause tonight I need gone, and tomorrow's outside.